Okay, so this will be a test of the animation, still image, and slideshow features for the OLED on MicroPython on an ESP32. So it should rotate between 3 different animations here. Oh man, that really bleeds out pretty easily there. Yoshi, Tetris background, black and white, and this should be the slideshow. Ooh, it's really hard with this OLED to get a good picture there. If I back off a little bit, there we go. So these pictures were converted to just, well, if I'm understanding it correct, the format is PBM, which I couldn't find a good converter for. I actually made one here in MicroPython, which I'll link in the description. And then you can convert any image over. You could always just draw it by hand as well. So the slideshow function, and then the still image function, and the slideshow function. Yeah. So here's the animation. Now, all these are individual frames of animation. You can run them as long as you want to. So you can have them just continue going. There you can see an inverted. There's at night, and then back to the slideshows again. If you have any questions or interest, let me know. I'm going to go ahead and try to get this into a GitHub repo, though I'm kind of new to the whole GitHub thing, so we'll see how that goes. And then the tool that I use to actually create these little images, I'll put that in the description as well. Thanks all. Bye.